Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how I will solve a Rubik's Cube. So, she will mix it up for me, and then once she's done mixing up for me, she will give it to me once I turn the other way, which I'm going to turn like this once she is done mixing it. And then she is going to do the timer. And then, yeah, let's get started. Here you go.
Thank you.
And then I'm going to turn around.
Okay.
And she is going to mix it.
Okay, it's ready.
Okay, it's ready. I'm just going to give it to me. And then I'm going to have 15 seconds of expansion. So I'm going to see it for 15 seconds. Okay, I am ready. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Start. And that is 56
All right.
seconds.
56
seconds.
seconds.
Good job.
Good job, guys. All right. Yay. Everybody give a clap.